Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our University of Georgia account. So let's get started. So to log into your University of Georgia account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for UGA University login. After searching for UGA University login, you'll come up to this page, and after coming up to this page, now what you can do is just tap on this first option which says Login University of Georgia. And after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just tap on UGA My ID login. And now you have to enter your UGA username and password. So simply enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, you can just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you are facing trouble logging in, that means you have forgotten your username or password, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your username or password by tapping on trouble logging in. So just tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just easily reset your password by tapping on reset it from the IELTS website. So just tap on this option, and after tapping on this option, you will easily reset or recover your password by creating a new one. So just create a new password for your account and then come back to this login page, and after coming back to this login page, just enter the new password that you have created and then tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Georgia. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.